trying to learn these circles. I can get them down on the Grom pretty good, but my tire is pretty bad. I'll show y'all after this. It's pretty bad. Well guys, it's just us now. Ryan dipped, so I'm gonna go ride downtown and just kind of cruise, see what's going on. And then but yeah, look, this is the tire. You see this? I'm not really sure if y'all can see, you know, it's pretty dark. Look at that, it's pretty bad. It's got like the edges, you know, it's like bing, just like that. Shit, let me turn this idle down real quick. Yeah. Ryan had that shit up high. See, when I do that, my oil light turns on. I don't know why my oil light turns on every time I drop it back too far like that. And dude, it only happens when I'm going slow. Maybe it's like the bogginess, or I don't know. I pull in the clutch, but it still turns on. That was a little hard. Get out of here. Let's go see what's going on. Dude, my shirt from the wind just keeps coming undone. It's pretty bad. Everyone's gonna see the jelly rolls, man. Oh. The reflector like tripped me out. Huh. Let's just hop in right here, you know what I'm saying? Let's get some sex juices, Big Rick's Derek would say. You know, I'm gonna have to learn how to blur that stuff out. You know, I run 89. I don't really know why, but I do. Alright, it just feels better. When I put 93 in there, it kind of just feels bad. And it's like, I get like a weird bogginess, and then I switched fuels, and it really cleared it up. It does have a tune, but I bought it with a tune, so I haven't really done. It doesn't have like a stunt tune or anything, but I definitely want to get one because that would probably make the bike feel way better. 100%. So I've been talking about getting into motovlogging for a while. Like it was never consistent with it, and I never knew how to like get into it and start it and just get like the mojo going. And it took a while for me to like actually just get the stuff I needed to do it. And you know, I wish I did it when I was back in Arizona. Dude, this road's so perfect, man. Just can't resist. You know, guys, being in a wheelie really makes you feel better. It really does. Should we do a wheelie, guys? Yeah, I think we should do a wheelie. But yeah, a lot's happened from when I first started making those first videos I had. So I moved. I'm no longer in AZ. Not gonna tell you where I'm at. Yeah, I guess they're just gonna have to figure it out. After I broke my ankle, I was off the bike for like 3 months, and I didn't get a ride. I didn't make any videos. It's kind of just like, it's just kind of just depressing in a way, you know what I mean? Just kind of like, you don't get a ride, you don't get to do things you get to do all the time, and it's just, it sucked, you know? I lived on the 3rd floor, so, you know, having a broken ankle kind of sucks with having crutches and a backpack, and you know, it's all that. It sucked, but you know, people deal with worse, so like it wasn't that bad, you know what I mean? It just, you definitely feel it, you're like, damn, you know, that's pretty bad. But oh dude, it's been a while, so I really want to hop back into the groove of trying to just make a video, just have like a successful channel just for the fun of it. You know, as a kid I always wanted to do it, and you know, it's like, if I dreamt of doing it when I was a kid, what's stopping me from doing it now? And it's, you know, it's only myself. So see what it feels like to, and just get there and, you know, hopefully make it. That'd be pretty sick. I need to get better with editing for sure, because that's like the key part now. Hey, is this guy gonna say what's up? What's up? What? Okay, I'm so confused, bro. I'm so confused. What's this guy doing, dude? Oh, dude, I don't know. This guy's... What? Alright. Well, I thought he wanted to talk, so I was speeding up, because I thought he was, like, trying to race. But, you know, I'm not going to follow some random guy into his apartment complex, that's for sure. I don't know what he was... What was he doing? Didn't you all know, like, sign language? I don't know what he was saying. He was, like, he's slowed down, looked, he nodded no or something. He said, I don't even know. That was a weird encounter. Is this light? I don't even think this light senses me. Oh, never mind. It's pretty late. It's like my clock's wrong. So, and my date of these videos are off. You know, the bike community around here is really frowned upon. You know, it's really people don't really like any kind of bike. And you know, you always have all the people that do, but the majority of the people here, dude, they're out for blood. Like, Kias especially. Kias? Nah, don't fuck with Kias here, dude. They'll fuck you up. The GoPro died. Or something happened. I don't know, it beeped. And I tried turning it back on, and it just stayed on the input menu, like not even the input menu. It just stayed on the camera screen, and the buttons weren't doing anything, so I had to take it out of the case and take the battery out. It's annoying, but you know, I guess it happens sometimes. More like all the time. I hope the GoPro doesn't do that again. That'd be pretty annoying. But when I just stopped, I did see that the camera was at 20%. So now I know definitely got to carry an extra battery at least if it's going to be like a long cruise or something. Not even long, at least 30 minutes, 40 minutes. I haven't rode solo, like just to go cruise, in a minute. It's been a while. Got friends that ride every day, so you know, I'm always riding with them. It's just been so hot. You don't even want to ride during the day, just because you know you're just gonna sit in the heat, like 104, 116 heat index. You know, you're just like literally just burning in your helmet. You're cooking, like you literally cooking in your helmet. It's insane. Nah, this is Fishbowl. It's like one of the little spots we always go to. It's a little chill spot, as you can tell with all the burnout marks. Well, GoPro's gonna die pretty soon, so you know, probably just gonna turn it off, save the rest of the juice in case anything does happen on the way home. I'll try to pump out videos. I can't promise constantly, but I'm definitely gonna try until I start getting the hang of everything. And oh my god, look at all this.